Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be the most requested video from my cousins, friends, and from my subscribers as well. So it's gonna be a quick pasta recipe, which is my recipe. And I don't know, there are a lot of ways people make pasta, but this is my way of how I make pasta. And जब भी मैंने ये घर पे बनाया है, friends के लिए बनाया है, family के लिए बनाया है, everyone love it. So I'm gonna share it with you. But before I make the pasta, I have to take quick few things for the pasta. आधी चीज़ें मेरे पास है, but few of the things are still not there. So let's go grab the things first and let's make the pasta. So guys, I am in Walmart right now and I have to be really quick with the things that I have to buy. So the very first thing that is important for the pasta is obviously the pasta, and Imran ने मुझे सिर्फ 20 minutes दिए to go through the shopping as soon as possible. But मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है 15 minutes मेरे pasta shape में ही decide करने में लगेंगे. I don't know why. Every time I have to try a new shape of pasta. This time I'm going for this. I have second option as well जो मैंने कभी भी try नहीं किया, like घर पे बनाना. Otherwise I have eaten it in Jack Astor, which is the bow shape pasta. But इससे अच्छा मुझे लगता है यही वाला, because this doesn't give a feel of pasta. So let's go with this one. I think so. Okay, I don't have much time, so let's stick to this time. And there are other shapes as well, like the panini one. You guys have seen this a lot. And there is this twisted thing one also. It's called as the fusilli. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing things wrong, but let's stick to this one. And we have to shop a lot of other things as well, so let's be very quick. Second important thing is the pasta sauce. I love garlic, and oh, this is also nice. ये बहुत अच्छा होता है, Raus Marina sauce. This is one of the best sauce, but I'm not sure about the one I like. Do they have it or no? Oh yeah, this one. This is good. Onion and garlic. Garlic and onion one. I like this a lot. Can you guys imagine? Again, I'm taking another 15 minutes for deciding the pasta sauce. और इमरान ने मुझे टोटल 20 मिनट्स ही दिए हैं. अभी तक सिर्फ मैंने पास्ता लिया है. एंड दिस इज़ अगेन अ कन्फ्यूजन. शुड आई गो विद रोस्टेड गार्लिक एंड अनियन sauce, or should I go with fire roasted tomato and garlic thing? I am not sure about it. I think let's stick to the garlic and onion, क्योंकि हमेशा मैं यही लेती हूँ. Let's not experiment, because okay, let's go with the garlic and onion. So I need whipped cream. So this is the one. 35%. This is the game changer of the pasta. अगर किसी को creamy pasta अच्छा लगता है, this is what you need. So let me take the 35%. I don't have oregano at home, so I'm gonna search for oregano. This is Italian seasoning, I think. I don't know. Oh, we have oregano here. So I'm gonna take the oregano for sure. And I think I'll take the this garlic plus as well, because this is also a good thing. So now I'm gonna take some veggies. Totally depend करता है veggies का. It depends on the person's preference. I like broccoli, mushroom, and bell pepper as well in my pasta. So I'm gonna take a bell pepper, like green वाला. ये वाला मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता because it's kind of sweet. So I don't want pasta to be sweet and tangy. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take a pack of mushroom, and I'll take broccoli as well. But it's a disclaimer for, like, everyone making out pasta. It totally depends on the veggies you like. This is not the priority, okay? So let's quickly grab broccoli as well. Let's check out the weather in Canada. It's 1 degree today, and इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है ना. Oh God. क्रेजी सिंस मॉर्निंग. एंड मुझे ऐसे लगता है इमरान शायद 6 बजे तक बारिश है ना, या अगली सुबह तक 6 PM इवनिंग. बट इट्स रेनिंग लाइक क्रेजी. इतना गंदा मौसम हो रहा है ना, ऐसे लग रहा है घर जाओ और थोड़ा कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पियो और सो जाओ. पास्ता नहीं, पकोड़े का मौसम है. So guys, I took a quick stop at the dollar store. I'm at the dollar store right now because it's Halloween tomorrow. So I want to get up Faiz for the Halloween, just for the photo shoot, just for the fun. So Faiz का जो outfit है Halloween का, वो उसको already gift मिल चुका है. So I am thinking of getting some things like this. I don't know it's a girly thing or what, I'm not sure about it, but it has some cat thing. Obviously हेयर बैंड है तो गर्ल्स का होगा. एक तो हर जगह पता नहीं क्यों मुझे गर्ल्स की चीज़ें अट्रैक्ट करती हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी हैव फॉर बॉयज़ फॉर हैलोवीन. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक दिस वन बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा ठीक लग रहा है मुझे, ज़्यादा स्कैरी नहीं लग रहा है. आई डोंट नो, दीज आर mini pumpkin pails. I don't know, it's just good for the photo shoot, so I'm taking this because we have a very choto so newborn right now, so for the photo shoot it looks good. Alright you guys, we are back home and let me give you a quick Walmart grocery haul. Although there were some things that I was already having in my fridge, but कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मुझे लानी थी, so I'll tell you everything what I'm gonna put inside the pasta today. And fingers crossed for the pasta, because ऐसे होता है ना जब आप usually कोई चीज़ बनाते हो ना वो बहुत अच्छी बनती है, like normally. बट जब किसी गेस्ट को आना है या आपको व्लॉग करना है या कुछ भी ऐसा स्पेसिफिक हो, इट रून्स आउट. नो, इट विल नॉट हैपन फॉर श्योर. प्लीज़ पास्ता अच्छा बनना चाहिए. एंड हमारा पूरा डिनर जो है वो पास्ता पे ही डिपेंड है. एंड इमरान ऑलरेडी सेड मी ही इज़ हंग्री, so let's focus. I don't know why I get distracted. Okay, let's focus to the pasta. I'll show you what I'm gonna put. This is the pasta thing that I got from Walmart, and I'm again telling you veggies are specific for person to person. किसी को broccoli नहीं अच्छी लगती है, skip it. I like broccoli a lot, so it all depends on the veggies what you like. किसी को chicken pasta भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I hate chicken pasta because I don't know उसमें कुछ smell जैसी होती है. Anyway, this is broccoli what I'm gonna put. Garlic is there. This is super duper important. It gives you that extra hint of the flavor, so don't skip this. Onion बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. I'm gonna half it. We're gonna use the half of onion. We have the capsicum and we have mushrooms here. Again, mushroom किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगते, skip it. Put veggies whatever you like, but I like the combination of the veggies that I showed you. And the corns, I love corns in pasta, so we're gonna use the corns. And let me show you all the sauces that I'm gonna use. So guys, let's get into the sauces that we are gonna put in the pasta today. The very important और जो मतलब super duper important sauce है, pasta sauce obviously, which is the garlic and onion that I got from Walmart today. But I have a leftover one as well, जो थोड़ा ही सा है. I am going to use, because this is also garlic and onion. So पहले ये finish करते हैं, and then I think I might need half of this and ये थोड़ा सा. So I'm going to use the garlic and onion sauce. This is very very important. And then I am going to use the whipping cream. I told you this is the game changer again, because अगर किसी को बहुत creamy वाला pasta अच्छा लगता है ना, this is what you need. And we need some soy sauce, some vinegar for sure, because it will give you extra that, I don't know, whatever the word is. And we need jalapeno, again this is optional. We need the Szechuan, this thing again optional. जिसको spicy नहीं अच्छा लगता है, skip this. And what we need, I think we are done. That's all what we need in the sauces. So let's go and make the pasta now. So the very first step is pasta को boil करना. I have taken the boiling water here and इसको थोड़ा सा पानी को boil करके pasta जितनी quantity आपको चाहिए. मैं हमेशा इसमें wrong होती हूँ, मेरे से कभी ज़्यादा बन जाता है और कभी कम. Oh, sorry. Salt डालती हूँ मैं so that pasta inside gets flavor too. Now I'm gonna put some olive oil ताकि ये मतलब stick ना करें, चिपके ना आपस में. Some olive oil. You know what guys, मुझे garlic peel करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा लगता है. I don't know why, it's so bad. बहुत ही irritating होता है. And आपके nails तो गए. एंड इसमें फ्रेश गार्लिक ही अच्छा लगता है पास्ता में. बट सो द चॉपिंग थिंग इज़ डन. चॉपिंग में ही मुझे लगता है मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम चला जाता है. सो वी हैव अनियंस, पेपर्स, मशरूम, गार्लिक, कॉर्न्स एंड ब्रोकली को मैंने 5 क्विक मिनट्स के लिए बॉईल किया है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप विल फ्राई द मशरूम, बिकॉज इसमें ना एक पानी टाइप्स होता है जो बाद में बाकी वेजीज को सॉगी कर देगा. सो हेयर इज़ द पैन. आई हैव हीटेड इट. सो लेट्स पुट सम ऑलिव ऑयल एंड देन I don't know अब मैं मशरूम कैसे डालूँगी इस पे. Shit, I don't know how people do it. Let me just fix the camera first. Wait. So the very first thing is we have to fry the mushrooms because इसमें थोड़ा सा watery thing होता है. Let's just fry it. Like fry भी नहीं करना है, fry. Little olive oil drizzle and just saute it for like 5 minutes maybe, 2 to 3 minutes. I don't know. I'm not sure with it. I'm just like going with जब मुझे ठीक लगता है. बाकी it depends on people's preference. बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन टू दैट प्रॉपर कुकिंग चैनल कि आपको स्वाद अनुसार नमक डालो, फिर आप 10 चम्मच ये डालो वो डालो, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. सो वी आर जस्ट सौते. अब मैं ये लेकिन दिखाऊं कैसे आपको? ओ गॉड, आई डोंट नो हाउ डू पीपल स्पीक ऑल्सो एंड शो द थिंग ऑल्सो. लेट्स जस्ट फिक्स दिस. सो द पास्ता इज़ ऑल डन एंड मैं इसको अब ड्रेन करूँगी. जस्ट अ क्विक थिंग अगेन, पास्ता का पानी जो है वो थोड़ा सा सेव कर लेना, बिकॉज we will add it जब हम पास्ता बनाएंगे. so this much, again it's a pro tip, it gives your pasta a good taste. ज़्यादा नहीं, बस इतना सा पास्ता का water. now let me drain and always make sure you are draining out pasta in cold water, not the hot water. so mushrooms are done. mushroom मैंने fry कर दिए. now put some more oil and put butter as well. butter and olive oil का combination is the best for pasta. Let's put the garlic first. थोड़ा सा इसको सौते करके, it will give you that smell, not smell नहीं बोलते, क्या बोलते हैं? fragrance, sorry. once it starts turning little golden, put the onions. ज़्यादा भी फ्राई नहीं करना है, just the saute, not fry. Let it fry for like another a minute. The veggies are done. You can see. बस मैंने इसमें अभी salt डाला है. That's it. No other seasoning. So now I'm putting the pasta sauce, the garlic and onion. शेज़वान स्टर फ्राई. मुझे ये हर चीज़ में बैंग ऑन लगती है. इट गिव्स यू द एक्स्ट्रा किक, बट फॉर द पीपल हु आर स्पाइसी. एंड विल जस्ट पुट 1 spoon ऑफ इट. लेट्स पुट 1 more spoon, 1 spoon फॉर गुड लक. सम डार्क सोया सॉस, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं, few drops of it. and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. इससे थोड़ा सा वो टैंगी वाला इफेक्ट आता है. Oh my god, the pasta is smelling delicious. In fact, अभी मैंने सिर्फ पास्ता सॉस डाला है, no cream, no pasta itself. बट अभी तक सिर्फ नमक ही डाला है. नाउ कम्स द पार्ट वेयर आई ऐड द सीजनिंग. पास्ता में ना ज़्यादा सीजनिंग बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगती. सो आई गो विद द चिली फ्लेक्स एंड दिस इज़ द गार्लिक oregano and the black pepper. That's it. These are the 3 things that go in the pasta, nothing else. Like मुझे chili flakes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं पास्ता में. You guys can skip it again for the non-spicy people. And oregano gives you the flavor. So this is, don't skip it. So let's just put some chili flakes again, स्वाद अनुसार. Now some garlic plus oregano. इससे तो बहुत, ये तो मेरा फेवरेट है. मैं ये ऑमलेट में भी डाल के खाती हूँ. दिस इज़ so tasty. It gives you a good flavor. And now comes the black pepper. That's it. All the 3 seasoning. Now I am adding this whipping cream. Again मेरे पास थोड़ी सी पहले हाफ वाली है. Let me complete this one. And अगर हमें कम लगा, we'll put that one. So again, this is the people who like creamy pasta. The more you put, the more creamy pasta it will be. So now let's add the pasta. This is the final step. Final and the most crucial step. Leftover pasta का water था. Let's pour it up. And इसको अब क्रीम को थिक होने के लिए we'll keep it for another 10 minutes because this is very watery right now. Let's keep it for 10 minutes now and see you back after 10 minutes. So the pasta is ready, the creamy pasta. As I told you, जिसको जितनी क्रीम अच्छी लगती है, just go with it. So now you can add some jalapeno peppers. जिसको अच्छे लगते हैं, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. 2-3 pieces or whatever, जितना भी डालना है. And you can add some garlic, oregano, little bit of it, and we can add some chili flakes, little bit again. So the pasta is all ready. So now guys, it's the tasting time. Just see this delicious pasta. Oh my god, it smells so good and creamy. Let me just have the first bite. Oh my god, cream is just oozing out from the pastas. It's so hot. खुद की रेटिंग देनी पड़ेगी. It is so good, so creamy. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. I just can't stop eating it. एक तो भूख भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है. So let me just enjoy this pasta because I cannot resist myself in finishing out this whole plate. So if you do like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video and comment down below your pasta recipe. So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. I don't know ये cooking vlog अच्छा लग रहा होगा या नहीं. I tried my best because I am not good with the cooking stuff. I have a very limited recipes जो मेरी self made recipes है. Trust me, this is my self made thing. This is nothing मैंने कहीं पे कोई वीडियो वगैरह नहीं देखा है. Anyways, if you do like this and try this at home, you will love it and thank me later. Bye, see you in the next vlog.